Hello, little explorers. Did you know that dolphins are some of the smartest and happiest animals in the sea? They can recognize themselves in mirrors, just like you. And guess what? Each dolphin has its own special whistle. It's like their very own name. Dolphins love to jump, spin, and play in the sparkling blue water. A baby dolphin is called a calf, and it always swims close to its mom to feel safe and warm. These friendly sea creatures talk to one another using clicks, squeaks, and whistles. It's their underwater language. Aren't dolphins just amazing? You can meet many more cute animals like dolphins, lions, pandas, and penguins in our fun, colorful, and exciting book, My First Animal Encyclopedia. Brought to you by LAQ International Publishers, where learning meets imagination.